In today's video I will talk about the Zhangye National Geopark is a stunning geological wonder located in the Gansu province of China. So let's get started. Here's a comprehensive overview. Location and geography. The Zhangye National Geopark is situated in the Zhangye city of Gansu province, China. It covers an area of approximately 322 square kilometers and is part of the Danxia Landform, a unique geological formation. Danxia Landform. The Danxia Landform is a rare type of petrographic geomorphology characterized by red-colored sandstone and conglomerate rocks. That rust erosion patterns and weathering process have created a breathtaking landscape of colorful rock formations. Rainbow Mountains. The Zhangye National Geopark is famous for its rainbow mountains, which are a result of millions of years of erosion and weathering. The mountains display a kaleidoscope of colors, including red, orange, yellow, green, and blue, creating a surreal landscape. Formation process. The colorful rock formations were created through a combination of geological processes including deposition. Sediments were deposited in the area over millions of years. Uplift. The sediments were uplifted due to tectonic activity. Erosion. Wind and water erosion wore away the rocks, creating the unique patterns. Tourism and attractions. The Zhangye National Geopark is a popular tourist destination, attracting millions of visitors each year. The park offers scenic views. Visitors can enjoy breathtaking views of the Rainbow Mountains and surrounding landscape. Hiking trails. There are several hiking trails that allow visitors to explore the park's unique geology. Photography. The park's stunning landscapes make it a photographer's paradise. Conservation efforts. The Zhangye National Geopark is a protected area, and conservation efforts are in place to preserve the unique geological formations and ecosystem. Visitors are encouraged to respect the park's rules. Geological significance. The Zhangye National Geopark is not only a stunning natural wonder but also an important geological site. It provides valuable insights into the region's geological history and the processes that shape our planet. Cultural significance. The Zhangye National Geopark also holds cultural significance, with the Danxia Landform being an important part of Chinese cultural heritage. The park's unique landscapes have inspired artists, writers, and photographers for centuries. Visitor information. Visitors can access the park by car or public transportation. The park is open year-round, but the best time to visit is during the spring and autumn months when the weather is mild and comfortable. Infrastructure development. The park's infrastructure has been developed to accommodate the growing number of visitors. This includes Visitor Center. A modern visitor center provides information and guidance for visitors. Walking trails. Well-maintained walking trails allow visitors to explore the park's unique geology. Economic impact. The Zhangye National Geopark has had a significant economic impact on the local community, creating jobs and stimulating economic growth. The park's popularity has also led to the development of local tourism infrastructure. Environmental impact. The park's management has implemented measures to minimize the environmental impact of tourism, including waste management. A comprehensive waste management system is in place to reduce waste and promote recycling. Sustainable tourism. The park promotes sustainable tourism practices, encouraging visitors to respect the environment and local culture. Research and education. The Zhangye National Geopark is an important site for geological research and education. Scientists and students can study the park's unique geology and learn about the processes that shape our planet. Community engagement. The park's management engages with the local community, promoting the importance of conservation and sustainable tourism practices. The park also provides economic benefits to the local community, creating jobs and stimulating economic growth. Park management. The park is managed by a dedicated team that works to protect the park's unique geology and ecosystem. The team also provides visitor services, ensuring that visitors have a safe and enjoyable experience. Sustainability. The Zhangye National Geopark is committed to sustainability, promoting environmentally friendly practices and reducing its carbon footprint. The park's management works to balance tourism development with environmental protection. Tourism development. The park's tourism development has been carefully planned to minimize the impact on the environment and local culture. The park's management works with local stakeholders to ensure that tourism benefits the local community. Geological heritage. The Zhangye National Geopark is an important part of China's geological heritage, providing a unique window into the region's geological history. The park's management works to protect and conserve the park's geological heritage for future generations. Cultural exchange. The park's unique landscapes and cultural significance make it an important site for cultural exchange. Visitors from around the world can experience the park's stunning natural beauty and learn about Chinese culture. Economic benefits. The Zhangye National Geopark provides significant economic benefits to the local community, creating jobs and stimulating economic growth. So this is my today's video. What is your opinion about this show? Tell me in comments. If you like my videos, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Now I am going and meet you in the next video. Take good care of yourself. Goodbye and good luck.